Hi guys, it's Mary, and I have the Spellbinders March Everything Club to show you. So let us start with the stamp of the month, and it's just so cute. Look at the little flowers and the butterflies. It says, "You are so kind, just a little hi from me. The best is yet to come. You have the best birthday," or have the best birthday. And so you can get that, the stamp of the month, or you can get the stamp and the die of the month. And so the stamp and die go together. It's got for the different sayings, and it's got for the butterfly and for the little, it's not a reef, but it is a reef, but it kind of reminds me actually of a lei. So you can make a Hawaiian lei out of it, I think. So that is real cute. I like that. And the glimmer of the month came with this really pretty blue color. I don't know, what's this? Cobalt blue. Well, that just about sums it up. Cobalt. And it says, "It's so kind of you." And there's 3 separate hot foil plates and 2 cutting dies. So this and this one cut. And so you can do it in half and half, so that you can have something written right there. So you're going to switch it up, and then they did this one in between in a different color in this one. So this piece is separate than this piece. So that's the one that you would do this way and then flip it and do it that way. That would be in the middle if you wanted to put a saying in there. And then that cuts that one, that cuts that one, around that one. So that's pretty. So the infamous stitch die. Now you all know, if you've been following me, that I don't stitch. Nested layered stitched petal. Kind of reminds me of tiles. Gives you the instructions on cutting the background and then doing the stitching. And then stitching onto the background. Yeah, that stitching's not going to happen. But I think this will be pretty just as is. So that was the stitch. This is the small die of the month, and it's a floral butterfly card front. I see a pattern going here. It's got some words. Just because. I guess that's it, just because. So this is really pretty. And then you can cut out all the little flowers, because Spellbinders loves their little dies. And then decorate the butterfly. That's cute. Or you can use the stamp from the other one. And stamp it and color it in instead of flowers. I like that idea. This is very cute. Minus all the little stuff. I really like this one. This is the large die of the month, and it's a flowering tree and a collapsible card base. Now, I know they have little pieces, but I do like that they attach them all together, and so you get a whole group of flowers. See how they're all attached together, and leaves. All different kinds of leaves. So it's easier to at least cut them and put them up. And it says happy birthday. And the cool thing is that this die here and these pieces here make this little kind of a step-up card that collapses to be mailed. So isn't that cute? I will definitely try that one. I think it's very cute. And if the birthday's in fall, you can do fall leaves. You could do springtime flowers and leaves. I really like that. The regular embossing folder it says Stylized Calla Lily. And it looks like this. I don't know if that says Calla Lily to me. But maybe it's just a different... Well, I guess this this is the throat, and then this is the flower, you know, because calla lilies have this deep like throat thing. So I guess so. I guess so. So that's pretty. I like that. And then this is the 3D embossing folder, and it's called Tiled Motif. You know, I swear that all these companies get together and say, let's do tile this month, because I just got a couple of other things that had like the tiles. It's pretty funny. So this is 3D embossing. The thing that I like about them is that their folders, their embossing folders are large. So you can do a slim line, you know, up to a 5x7. I like that because some of them are short, and unless you're doing an A2, you know, you can't really use the embossing folder. So I love that they think about that and make them larger. So the last thing is the card kit. And let me tell you, if you don't already know, I don't care for bees. This is the third thing this month I've gotten with bees. I don't know why. I don't know. And I don't know, I couldn't even tell you why I don't like bees. I don't know. So we'll see. Maybe these bees will be different, and I'll like them. If I can get it all out. Hello, honey. Happiness is here. These are all the different little ephemera. You know what I'm saying. The little pieces. Cards and envelopes. Here come the bees. Beautiful, happy, sweet. These are chipboard. These are cute. Colored cardstock for card panels. And then we've got little puffy, like, well, they're more like, actually, they're more like chipboard stickers too. Those are cute. Oh, love these. Just be you, lovely day. Remember, hey, love that. Card kit contains 8 cards and envelopes, 20 A2 card panels, pattern paper, puffy banner stickers, puffy stickers, chipboard embellishments, sequins, die-cut shapes, foam squares, adhesive tape. So there is bees, but then there are things that aren't bees, so that's good. So let's take a look at the paper. This is pretty. It's very vibrant. I like the colors. So we've got that, wood grain, beehives, oh, tone-on-tone flowers. These are cute. It's got little gold foiled. Oh, wait. Purple. Little flowers in a row, spring flowers. Beautiful, happy to be together. Oh, this one's got little foil too, the bees. Bees, bees, bees. It's a little plaid. It almost makes my eyes go cross-eyed. Little honeycomb, little spring trees. I love that color. That like turquoisey color. Love that. Little polka dots. More bees. Little gingham check. Looks like screen. It's like an old-fashioned print. More honeycombs. And little stitched hearts. That's cute. So that's it. That's not too busy. Haha. So not bad. So that's the kit for March. So far I've liked the majority of everything that has come in the kits. Oh, and sequins, I forgot. Cobalt blue sequins. So anyway, so far, like I said, I've liked everything, or just about everything in the kits, so that's been good. I haven't picked up, I canceled one kit that I was getting, and I haven't gotten a kit since December from Comic Studios because they just haven't spoken to me. So, but I did sign up for a new one with Tailored Expressions. It's their, oh, there goes my Band-Aid. Their quad kit, it's new. So if you're not familiar with their quad stencils, they, you use the stencils, and when you're done and you cut the paper into 4s, you have 4 card panels all ready to go. It's pretty ingenious. So I thought, well, we'll give that a try. That's brand new. That doesn't start till next month. So, all right, so that's it. March Everything Club kit. Let me know in comments if you subscribe to the Everything Club, or if you subscribe just to a couple of different bits and pieces of their clubs. Everything is done separately. If you know, you don't have to do the whole thing. It saves you a lot of money, though. I think you can get the whole thing for you know, for the price of maybe if you bought just 3 or 4 items. So it depends on what your budget is and what you're interested in. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Let me know in comments what you think. Let me know what your favorite out of this month was. I think I really like that tree. I think that's going to be a favorite. But we'll see once we start to have a play. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thank you for subscribing if you already do. I appreciate all your support. It means the world to me that you, whatever time that you can spend at my channel, watching a video. If you haven't subscribed, you can hit that subscribe button, and then there's a bell that you can hit, and it will notify you whenever there's a new video. Right now, things are crazy, so they're not as consistent as they normally are. Which is even better to get a notification, so you don't have to miss anything if you want to see them. Oh, and hit the like button, please. That's nearly almost as important as subscribing. So I appreciate every like that comes along. It lets me know that, you know, you like what you're seeing. And leave me a comment, you know, if you have something that you're interested in, you want to take a look at. Maybe I've missed a video. If you need help with a technique or something, I can do a video. Let me know. I buy all my own stuff, so I don't, you know, I don't get anything free, so I don't have as much as, you know, the people, the YouTubers that are influencers or, you know, get supported by the companies. But I try to have a various, you know, a good collection of stuff that I can afford. So your support by subscribing and watching mean a lot. Yeah, so I guess that's it. All right, so leave me a comment. I answer them all. It may take a couple of days, though, depending, but I do, because I appreciate every comment. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.